So in this video I'm gonna tell you if the Pixel 10 Pro has a built-in call recorder. And the answer is it does not. So for calls, like typically if you're trying to record a call, a standard call like this, then you won't be able, but I will show you a solution for it. So yeah, you can see like there's no option to record it here, but don't worry, you can go to the Play Store and search for ACR call recorder. Of course, it's not gonna be built in, it's an additional app, but at least it's something. So let's wait. Now we're gonna have the ACR Cube. Let's install it. And let's wait a moment, it's not gonna take too long. You can see it is installing quite quickly. Let's open it, let's click on next, let's grant permissions. Now let's click on OK and allow, then yes, and while using the app, grant permissions, allow all the time, close that, and close that. And then we'll need to install a helper, so it works. Let's go here, and we'll need to download helper.app. Download anyway, then click on open, settings, allow from this source, install, open, click on next, grant permissions while using the app, allow. Then you'll see we'll need to do a few things. So let's go to accessibility and find app connector, and then tap to see the dialog. So let's do that. In accessibility, let's go to app connector. Well, I have no idea where app connector is, so hold on a second. Okay, so it just shows you the dialog, but if we go back, then we can go to apps and then find our helper. So it's gonna be, I'm just gonna search for it because I probably won't see it. Helper, click here. Then I already forgot what to do next. So hold on a second. It's gonna be allow restricted settings. Okay, so let's go to apps. Let's find our helper. And now we may need to go to some permissions. No. Okay, that is weird. Okay, in 3 dots, allow restricted sets. No, I probably need to use my pattern because I don't have my fingerprint. Yeah, now it's allowed, and now we'll probably need to go back to the accessibility, go to Cube ACR app connector and enable it, then click on allow and click on OK, allow, open Cube ACR, and now we can make a call, right? I'm gonna answer that, and now let's click on don't caption, and we should be able to now you can see it starts recording automatically, so that's great. And now if you want to stop or set it to manually for color, so like you'll be able to select whether you want to record, then you can do it. I'm gonna stop it, and then I'm gonna hang up, and let's go to Cube ACR, and you can see I have the call recorded. And now let's click stop. So yeah, this is how you can do it, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.